Hello, boys and girls. You're going to practice saying the sounds for some letters. When I touch next to the letter, figure out the sound in your head. When I touch under the letter, say the sound as long as I continue to touch under the letter. Now, my turn. Sound, sound, Now, your turn. Sound, 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 sound. Did you say b, If you did, great job. Sound, 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 sound. Did you say j, f? Great job. Next row. Sound, 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 sound. Did you say p, z, g? Great job. Last row. Sound, 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 sound. Did you say s, d, t, w? Awesome! See you tomorrow!